Scan for SOV and straight A's only. Let's go!
Calculus problems like this derivative look intimidating, but you can solve them in 60 seconds flat by following 3 simple steps. Let us dive right in.
Start by differentiating sine of x cubed. Apply the chain rule. The derivative of sine is cosine, multiplied by the derivative of the inner function, which is exactly 3x squared. Boom! Now differentiate again. Since we have a product of 3x squared and cosine of x cubed, we must use the product rule, followed by the chain rule for the cosine term. Nice! Finally, multiply the terms inside the second part. 3x squared times negative 3x squared gives negative 9x to the fourth, matching our final result perfectly. That makes options. Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOV. Avoid skipping the chain or product rules. Always apply both rules to find the answer.